Hey brother, your car, what happening?
Puncture happening.
Puncture happening.
Very sad.
We are in the middle of nowhere. We are 8 kilometers from Sialsuk. So after 1 hour, our car is fixed now, and it's raining heavily here. You can see. Tough day, brother. You all are tired?
No. I'm not tired.
Not tired.
So we are about to reach Thenzawl Golf Course Resort. It is around 1 kilometer from here. So we have been allotted 9 and 10.
Yes.
Number 9 and
number
number
9
9.
and number 10 cottage.
So this is number 10, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's give a quick tour. We have a small veranda here and the view is very nice. This is number 10. Let's go inside. Wow.
Looks very cozy.
So starting only, you have a sofa, you have 2 chairs, you have a TV, and you have a little fridge. This is very nice. Let's see if we have something. No, we have nothing. So we have a mini fridge. That's great. Okay, so let's now move into the main bedroom, master bedroom. So that's great. Wow, it's great.
Amazing. Really amazing. Beautiful.
We have AC, we have a big bed. Here we have a nice view from the bedroom. This is very nice. Let's check out the washroom. This is the washroom, very neat and clean, wooden finish. It's very nice, it's very clean. Here we have a mirror, a big one. So everything is perfect,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Actually, Arjit predicted way before that the stay is going to be awesome. It's really,
Yeah.
the cottages are very nice with good view.
Yeah.
So whatever next will be upcoming, we'll be showing it to you. So keep watching. So hello friends, after we got our allotted rooms, we were very tired, so we took a quick nap. So this is evening time now. So thought of sharing some tips and bits with you guys, so that if you plan for Thenzawl Golf Course, so that will be very helpful to you. The first question, how to reach Thenzawl Golf Course from Aizawl? What are the options available? Mainly you have 2 options. Okay, one is you rent a car and you come directly to Thenzawl Golf Course. That will cost you around, big cars will cost you around 10,000 and small cars will cost you around 7,000. That will depend upon the season or peak time. And the second option, from Aizawl you can get a sharing cab till Thenzawl bus stop. From Thenzawl bus stop you can easily get auto, you can easily get taxis. That will not cost you much. That will cost you around 100-200 rupees, like that. And about the tariff, most important part. Tariff right now it is 2,800 per cottage. And in one cottage you can accommodate 2 adults with 2 children. If you have one extra person, so for one extra person you have to bear 1,000 rupees. So extra bed cost you 1000.
1,000 rupees.
Yes.
What are the amenities we are getting here?
Amenities, see, there is a swimming pool that is under construction, so you can have a swimming pool right in the lap of nature. So that's a really good thing. Okay.
Yeah.
And you have a suspension bridge. You can just have a small adventure type. And one more important point. Suppose you have driver with you. So for driver, there is driver's dormitory that will cost you 200 rupees per night. So you have a driver's dormitory that is very useful. Apart from that, you have a maid's dormitory, or you can call it as a female dormitory. So you can avail that also for 200 rupees per night. Like if you have a small baby, if you have a maid, then you can easily give her the dormitory. It's very economical, 200 rupees.
And the most important part, you can play golf.
So we can get the kit also.
Yes.
So what is the process? We can rent it.
Yes, you can rent it.
What is the price?
So if you are just renting out the golf club, that's 1,000 per golf club, and golf balls are 20 per ball, and the golf cart is free.
So tell me something about the peak time, Arijit. Like
Yeah.
what is the peak time of this?
Peak time is from October to January. So how do we book?
See, there is a very simple option to book. Okay, there is a website. I will just give you the link. Thenzawl Golf Resort.com. So you can book it. It is very simple. You will get a QR code, and you have to show that QR code in the reception, and you are good to go.
Don't they have a phone number for booking?
Yes. A person who is the coordinator, I will give his name and number in the description. You can call him regarding any kind of booking help. This property is under Government of Mizoram, and it is managed by Mizoram Tourism Development Authority. I hope the information which we gave must be very helpful to the audience.
Yes.
Right now we'll be going for dinner. So it's dinner time. We'll be seeing you in a short time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
A very good morning from Thenzawl Golf Course Resort. It's a beautiful morning. This is the view from my balcony. So this is the view from my balcony. It's really beautiful, and the area is really huge. Really huge. It's very surprising. There are no boundaries. You can see the forest. Golf course is here. Field and then forests. So there are no proper demarcation or proper boundaries. That side is huge. The property is huge. I'm waiting for my friends, and we'll have a nice little morning walk.
Hello. Good morning.
So now we'll give a detailed tour.
Detailed tour of the golf course.
So there are 30 cottages, no? Right.
Right.
30 cottages. So here I think up to
I think there are 10, 12 cottages here, and
rest at the back.
rest at the back. 18 cottages at the back.
Okay, the rest of the cottages are from this side. Here are the rest of the cottages. Okay. You can play golf?
No, I can't. But you can try your hand at golf here.
Yeah, we can rent it out here.
Yes.
So right now we are having golf tutorial. Everybody is a golf player now. Just see. Arijit,
Yes.
you are a pro player, man.
I'm Arijit Woods.
Arijit Woods. Okay, let's try, Arijit. Come on.
बस हवा निकल गई
गजब बेइज्जती है।
swimming pool which is getting ready.
Yes.
It's still under construction.
Should be ready by maybe 3-4 months.
3-4 months. Okay. But this swimming pool will be really nice, no? It is
Yeah,
in between
the golf course.
in between the golf course. Just see. The swimming pool is
Huge.
this is
The
the
amazing swimming pool.
this is the swimming pool which is under construction. Maybe within a few span of time it will be ready. But the pool is huge.
It's huge.
This looks like hot spring.
Yes.
No?
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
When it will be ready, it will look amazing.
I think we should come back once this is ready.
Yes.
The suspension bridge at Thenzawl Golf Course Resort is more than just a means of crossing. It is an integral part of the resort's charm, offering spectacular views and unique experience that blends adventure with tranquility. Crossing this suspension bridge is an adventure itself. The gentle sway of the bridge with the scenic beauty makes it a memorable walk. So, if you are visiting this resort, don't miss the experience of walking across the suspension bridge.
So, you like it?
Yes.
Very much.
Loved it.
But we are very hungry now.
Yes.
Right now?
Yes. We'll first go to the watchtower.
The view is great from the watchtower.
is very
right?
nice.
And
What
then
I heard.
after the watchtower, we will have
go to
our
the
lunch.
dining.
So,
Stay
keep
here.
watching. So, hi guys. As you can see, this is the watchtower, or they call it viewing gallery. So, we'll go there. We'll have a top view of the whole golf course. So, let's see. Chalo. So basically you can view a total 360 degree from this watchtower. It's good. The sitting area is also fantastic. Take a cup of tea, coffee and just enjoy the nature. Now we are heading for lunch. So this is the dining area. It's really beautiful. Come. This is the dining hall. It's really spacious.
Yes.
Very big.
Really big.
So Joita, what all we have?
We have hot rice.
Rice, okay. Then
This is dal.
dal. Oh, looks awesome.
Yeah, it's dal
This one?
fry.
Dal fry, okay.
This is mixed veg.
Mixed veg, okay.
This is chicken Manchurian.
Chicken Manchurian, okay.
This is chicken curry.
Chicken curry,
And that's egg omelette.
egg omelette.
I
Wow,
think that is it.
that's great.
It all looks nice.
Looks tasty.
And we also have green salad.
Rahim's favorite.
My favorite. We all are very hungry.
Very, very hungry.
Let's start.
Let's start.
So friends, this wraps up our journey for this Thenzawl Golf Course.
If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. Take care.
Take care and keep smiling.
Thenzawl Golf Course Resort, located in Mizoram, India, is a stunning destination known for its breathtaking natural beauty and world-class golfing facilities. The 18-hole golf course, designed to international standards, blends seamlessly with the surrounding environment, providing golfers with challenging play and spectacular views. The resort's breathtaking views with Verdant forests, rolling hills, beautiful skies, making it a perfect gateway for nature lovers and also for golf lovers. So friends, hope you have liked the second part of our Mizoram trip, and if you haven't watched the first part yet, please do watch it as well. We'll be back soon with new exciting vlogs for you. Till then, take care and keep smiling and do hopping popping. How are you feeling? Hey!
এটা হবে না
If you like the video,
তুমি তো বললে
তুই বল পুরোটা। So you all will miss Thenzawl? Joita Woods. Oh my god.
গাছটাকে নিলে ভালো লাগবে, হ্যাঁ এক্স্যাক্টলি।
তাহলে
কতটা উপর নিচ করবি দেখে নে।
হ্যাঁ
কোনায় করে দাও।
একটা কোনায় করলে আবার কফি কাপটা দেখা যাবে না।
কোনায়
এটা মাঝখানেই ভালো লাগে গাছ।
ভালো লাগে
Bye bye Thenzawl. In any other places?
ধ্যাত
কি সব বলছি আমি উল্টো বলার।
কিরম করে বললাম ধ্যাত